In previous session, we solved MCQ from halogen derivatives topic. The points are classification, nomenclature and preparation of alkyl halide. Now in this session, we are going to solve MCQ on point physical properties and chemical properties of alkyl halide. Okay, let us see this part. Now you solve 40 question. Now next question, question number 41. For given alkyl group, the boiling point of alkyl halides follow the order. Now you know that the halogen, as size increases, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, okay, size and mass increases, the boiling point order is in this. Okay, therefore the answer is this one. Okay, next question. The CX bond distance is longest in. Okay, now I will give you a trick here. One point, it helps for many questions. See this one. Here, size increases from fluorine to iodine. Okay, size and mass, size increases. Okay, next now see here. This is the, now in comparison with this is the longest, therefore weakest bond. Therefore, it can break easily. Therefore, comparatively, it is a more reactive than this. Okay, now about this is the shortest bond, therefore strongest bond. Okay, therefore it is difficult to break, therefore it is somewhat less reactive. Okay, that is reactivity increases here. Next, one more point. Here the shortest, strongest bond, therefore more bond enthalpy also decreases. One more point, here size and mass increases, therefore boiling point also increases. Okay, remember this point. Now, the CX bond distance is longest in this one, therefore answer is this. Next, the CX bond strongest in this one, therefore answer is this one. Next, which of the following compound has the highest boiling point? Okay, now see here, the options are tert-butyl, N-butyl, isobutyl, and this is a N-propyl. You know that as the mass and size increases, boiling point increases. Therefore, out of this has the lowest one. Now, out of these three, see, this is a tertiary. As branching increases, boiling point decreases. Okay, therefore, it has a lowest. Therefore, it has a highest boiling point in comparison with these four. Okay, therefore, this is the answer. Okay, next one. Next question. Which is the correct increasing order of boiling points of the following compounds? Now see this. 1 bromobutane, butane, 1 iodobutane and 1 chlorobutane. All are butane, here butane. Now see this point. Here alkyl halides have more boiling point than the alkanes due to, that is actually alkyl halides has more boiling points than the corresponding alkanes due to more mass and more polarity. Okay, therefore in these four, the butane has a lowest boiling point out of these four. Now find out that one here. Okay, next. Now out of this, iodobutane more boiling point, therefore here. Okay, that is, this is the answer. Okay, next one. The carbon halogen bond in an alkyl halide is, now carbon halogen bond, it is a more electronegative, it pulls the electron, therefore it is a polar covalent bond. It is a polar covalent bond. Okay, next, haloalkanes are insoluble in water because, okay, the answer is C here. Actually, haloalkanes, alkyl halides are polar but insoluble in water because they are unable to form hydrogen bond with water. Okay, next question. Which statement is correct? Okay, alkyl halides are soluble in water. No, it is a wrong statement. Alkyl halides do not contain any polar bond. No, wrong statement. They contain polar bond. alkyl halides are soluble in non-polar solvent, organic solvent. Yes, it is a correct one. Okay, but read this one. Alkyl halides form hydrogen bond with water. No. Therefore, correct answer is this one. Okay. Next, the isomer of bromobutane with the lowest boiling point. Just now you studied this one. Lowest boiling point. This is a tert butyl. Okay. Isomer of bromobutane. Therefore, answer is the lowest boiling point, tert butyl bromide. Okay, because all they have same halogen and the isomeric. Okay, next one. Among the halogen derivatives of methane, the one which has the highest boiling point. Yes, alkyl group same, then for iodine. This is the answer. Next, pick up the correct statement about isomeric dihalobenzene. Now, isomeric dihalobenzene. Here, these are the isomeric dihalobenzene. Okay, next. Now remember here one point. For these compounds, boiling points are nearly same for all these isomers. But the melting point here, the melting point is highest for this para isomer due to its symmetrical structure. Okay, now find out the correct statement from this. They have nearly the same boiling point. Yes, they have nearly same boiling point. The first statement is a correct statement. Okay, that is, now the remaining statements are wrong statement. Okay, next question. Now, methyl chloride reacts with silver acetate to form. See this one. Methyl chloride reacts with silver acetate. Okay. Now, here, once you know the nomenclature, you can write logically any reaction. Okay. Now, see that in the question, methyl chloride and silver acetate given. Now, here, remember one tact here. Sodium, potassium or silver, any present in the one reactant, then they immediately react with the halogen. Therefore, this Ag and Cl, remove this part and join this here. Therefore, this is the product methyl acetate. Ester is formed. Okay, you should know nomenclature. Therefore, answer is methyl acetate. Okay, next. In the following reactions, A and B are respectively. Now see this one. Ethyl chloride react with sodium iodide in acetone. This is a Finkelstein reaction. Halogen exchange, Cl replaced by I. Therefore, A is ethyl iodide. Okay, here ethyl iodide. Okay, next. Now second, sodium and dry ether, Woods reaction. See here sodium iodide and here sodium. It is a Woods reaction, sodium and dry ether. Now number of carbon atoms doubled, therefore product is butane because ethyl chloride gives butane. Therefore this is the answer. Okay, next question. In order to get nitroethane from bromoethane, the reagent used is. Now see here one trick. Here we require nitroethane. Okay, nitroethane from bromoethane. Okay, now remember, for silver cyanide gives this, the substitution gives the NC when reacts with alkyl halide, gives isocyanide, and for silver nitrate gives nitroalkane. Okay, now remember a trick here. For Ag, joining from N side. Okay, NN, remember here, NN for Ag. Okay, therefore we require here nitro, then here the reagent is Ag, that is silver nitrate is required, therefore Ag, this one. Okay, silver nitrate. Okay, next question. Now, which of the following halide is most reactive towards nucleophilic substitution? Now here alkyl groups are same, then iodine, that is this one is more reactive. Next, which of the following compound is not formed when a mixture of ethyl iodide and methyl iodide is treated with the sodium metal? Okay, now see here, methyl iodide and ethyl iodide. Methyl iodide gives ethane. Ethyl iodide gives butane. Number of carbon atoms double. And when both these react, gives propane. Therefore, products are ethane, propane, butane. Okay. Therefore, ethane, propane, butane. Now, this is not formed. Pentane. Okay. Next one. Alkyl halide plus this magnesium in presence of dry ether gives A. Now this gives a Grignard reagent. This is RXMG and dry ether gives Grignard reagent. Now it reacts with ethanol to form methane. Okay, now it reacts with ethanol to form methane. Okay, that is this RH. Now remember here, when Grignard reagent react with alcohol, ammonia or water, then this H reacts with this R, that is RH is the product, and here it is a methane, it is given, means it is a methane, means it is a methyl, means it is a methyl, therefore this alkyl halide is methyl halide. Okay, next question 58. N-propyl iodide reacts with alcoholic KOH. Now remember the role of reagent. Here alcoholic KOH, it is a base. Alcoholic elimination takes place. This I and this H removed. Therefore propene. The propene is formed. Okay. Now bromine in presence of this solvent. Now here addition takes place across this double bond. Br. Okay. Now B. This is the B. Okay. Next NaNH2 gives this C. Now NaNH2. What is the role of NaNH2? Actually, alcoholic KOH and NaNH2 both have a same role, dehydrohalogenation. Okay, but it is a strong compared to this one. Now, if alcoholic KOH is added here, then it removes this Br and H, gives this product. Okay, now further elimination is not possible for this. But if you add NaNH2, it is stronger. It removes both HBr, that is this Br and this H gives this. Now this Br and this H, one more bond is formed here. That is by removal of this Br and H, one double bond. Removal of this Br and this H, one more double bond. That gives a propyne. Here the answer is propyne. Okay, this is the answer, propyne. Okay, next question. Now the product formed when ethyl bromide reacts with alcoholic KCN. See here. Here KCN. Br minus is replaced by Cn minus, KCN here. Therefore gives ethyl cyanide. Ethyl bromide gives ethyl cyanide. Next, neopentyl chloride reacts with sodium metal in dry ether. The product is here Wood's reaction. Neopentyl chloride. This is a neopentyl chloride. Okay. Now neopentyl chloride join this. Here 6 carbon atoms. Therefore 2,2,5,5 tetramethylhexane is formed. This one. Okay. Now here remember one trick. Suppose the reactants are given, simply join at the end of this halogen. But if product is given, then symmetrically divide it into two parts like this, and here one halogen, here one halogen, that is the reactant. Okay. Next. Now here reactant given, join two, product is formed. Next, an alkyl halide may be converted into an alcohol by. Now here alkyl halide to alcohol. Now here one trick. See this alkyl halide. When aqueous alkali, nucleophilic substitution X minus is replaced by OH minus gives alcohol. But if alcoholic alkali, then elimination reaction, 1,2 elimination, beta elimination, this is removed and gives the product alkane. Okay, remember this point. Now here alkyl halide to alcohol, therefore substitution reaction. Okay, next one. Treatment of ethyl chloride with excess of ammonia will yield. Now here again nucleophilic substitution, Cl minus replaced by NH2 gives excess here, therefore gives ethyl amine. Okay, next question. Dehydrohalogenation of an alkyl halide is dehydrohalogenation, removal of HX. It is a beta elimination, 1,2 elimination. Next question. Now, the mixture of two organic chlorine compounds was treated with sodium metal. Again, here it is a Woods reaction. There, isobutane is a product, then the starting materials are. Now here isobutane, this is isobutane. Now symmetrically not possible to divide, then break here, here or here, anywhere. Now this methyl chloride and this is isopropyl chloride. Therefore the answer is this one. Okay, next one. Now 2-chloro 1-phenyl propane on heating with alcoholic KOH gives. Now see this 2-chloro 1-phenyl, this is a propane. Now heated with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH again elimination. Okay. Now this Cl. Now here two possibility. This H or this H. Now use here Sedzev rule which gives a more substituted alkene is a more stable. Okay. Now I will give you here one trick. Now remove the hydrogen, the Cl, and remove the hydrogen from the carbon having less number of hydrogen. That is from this. This has a 2 and this has a 3. Remove this one. Okay. This then double bond is formed here. This one. That is 1-phenyl propene is the product. Okay. 1-phenyl propene. Next, which of the following haloalkanes is the most reactive? Now see here. Here what is given? Here the 1-chloropropane, 2-chloropropane and here bromo compounds all are propane. You know that this is chlorine, less reactive than this bromine, therefore these two. Out of these two, you know the reactivity. Tertiary, more reactive than secondary, you know this one. Therefore, 2-bromopropane is more reactive out of these four. Okay, next question. The non-reactivity of the vinyl chloride. Now, vinyl chloride, know that, studied in exercise question also. Vinyl chloride, this one, non-reactivity of chlorine atom in a vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride, here conjugation, lone pair, single bond, double bond, therefore here resonance, and due to this resonance, this is less reactive due to resonance stabilization. Okay, next question. Acetonitrile is prepared by heating. Now acetonitrile, aceto, second carbon, 2 carbon atoms, second member. Okay. Formonitrile means first member. Okay. Acetonitrile. It is formed by this X is replaced by Cn. Therefore, we require methyl halide and KCN. Here methyl chloride with KCN. Okay. Next question. Which reagent cannot be used to prepare an alkyl chloride from alcohol? You know that alcohol converted into alkyl chloride either by this HX, that is HCl, Lucas reagent, PCl3, PCl5, SOCl2, any one of these. Okay. Now here this NaCl is not used. Okay. Next, which compound is formed when methanol reacts with methyl magnesium bromide? Now methanol, methyl magnesium bromide. Remember, it is a alcohol, water or ammonia. H from this and this R, that is alkyl group, joined to form alkane. Always remember this. Alcohol, ammonia or water reacts with Grignard's reagent, gives alkane. Which alkane is formed? Which alkyl group is present here? Okay. Now here the methyl magnesium bromide, therefore it gives methane. Okay, this is methane. Next, now A gives this, reacts with this PCl5, gives B. Then it reacts with sodium ethoxide, gives ethoxyethane. This is ethoxyethane. Okay, ethoxyethane. Now, see here, sodium ethoxide reacts with, here, if it is a ethyl chloride or ethyl halide, then Williamson synthesis, that is preparation of ethoxyethane. You studied this reaction. Okay. Now here we require ethyl halide, that is ethyl chloride is formed. When ethyl chloride is formed, if it is a ethanol, because here PCl5. Therefore, this is A is ethanol. Okay, next, carbon magnesium bond in Grignard reagent is, okay, this is a Grignard reagent. This bond is a polar covalent bond. It's a polar covalent bond. Next question. Now, here 2-bromobutane reacts with alcoholic KOH, gives mainly. Now, alcoholic KOH elimination reaction 2-bromobutane. Okay, elimination gives main product, major product but2-ene. Okay, next mainly. Okay, next question next one. Ethanol react with this sodium iodide and phosphoric acid. This gives the HI. Now this react with HI. Now see this. This HI to form this ethyl iodide. Okay. Next, ethyl iodide is formed. Next, react with potassium nitrite. Now potassium nitrite then gives alkyl nitrite. It is a ethyl nitrite is formed. Okay. Potassium nitrite gives alkyl nitrite. Okay, joining through this oxygen. Okay, ethyl nitrite is the product. Okay. Next, in the following sequence of reaction, C is, okay, see this one. Isopropyl bromide, 2-bromopropane, alcoholic KOH. Now elimination, this Br and this H is removed, form propene. This A is propane. Okay. Now add HBr and peroxide, B major product. Now HBr and peroxide. Here, whenever HBr and peroxide, addition opposite to Markovnikov's rule, when both these are present. Okay. Next, here Br and here H. Here Br and here H. This is a major product. This is a B. Now add NaI and acetone. NaI and acetone. That is again, see here, this is a Finkelstein reaction. Br replaced by I. Okay, halogen exchange gives N-propyl iodide. This is a N-propyl iodide. Okay, that gives here, see this 2-bromo gives 1-iodo. Okay, it's about the questions. Now, in the next session, we are going to solve MCQ from the haloarenes. Okay.